Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Steam game crashes on Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. So you're experiencing lots of crashes for one particular game and you can't know how this happened or identified what's the root cause. So what you can only do first as a first aid, because in most cases it might just be the Steam client, not your PC, your internet connection, or your hardwares. So go over here. Let's just say it's 7 days is that game you're talking about. Right click, go to properties. Then I want you to go over here, installed games. Here you will see the option to verify this game's files are installed correctly. Click on that. Click on this. Then it will verify everything. If there's any missing or corrupted files, if there are any, it will actually download and reacquire those files for you automatically. So once you can also check in here that Steam is trying to download those files. There's going to be a progress bar. Once that's done, you can restart your Steam client, go ahead and play the game. Everything should be fixed from that point. And that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.